What happened after actor Momina Iqbal accused a sitting Punjab lawmaker of harassment? The investigation has now reached a crucial stage as the National Cybercrime Investigation Agency has told a Lahore court that its investigation found PMLN MP Saqib Chaddar guilty of the allegations made by actor Momina Iqbal. However, the court has extended the pre-arrest bail of Chaddar and his wife until September 3, when final arrangements on their bail applications will be heard. The case began in May after Momina Iqbal alleged that she had been facing online harassment, cyberbullying, and death threats for a long time. She claimed that she had repeatedly approached the authorities but received no action, and according to her, the accused had allegedly continued threatening her after she rejected his marriage proposal because he was already married. The case gained national attention after Momina shared her allegations on social media and tagged the PMLN leadership. Soon afterward, the NCCI summoned both parties and registered an FIR and launched a formal investigation. And according to the FIR, the case includes allegations of cyber stalking, criminal intimidation, unauthorized access to data, and offences against a woman's privacy under PICA, along with provisions of the Pakistan Penal Code. The allegations are yet to be tested during trial, and the latest development is significant because for the first time, the investigation agency has informed the court that it believes there is enough evidence against the accused, and whether that evidence leads to a conviction will now be decided by the court.
Imagine protesting from your future only to find yourself staring down a wall of doubt, control police. That is exactly what happens at New Delhi Jantar Mantar. Thousands of students and activists gathered peacefully to protest massive exam paper leaks. They wanted answer from the government. Instead, they faced a massive crackdown. Video shows security forces using batons and tear gas on unarmed youth. The police even tore down the protest campus to stop people from sharing what was happening. The authorities shut down mobile internet and closed nearby metro stations. The education minister finally resigned and the government promised no one would be punished. But RT says the crackdown has not stopped. Police are now tracking down and arresting student leaders across the country. The government says these hard steps were necessary to keep order near Parliament. But critics ask a deeper question. It keeps order worth crushing the democratic rights to speak out.